Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to disable game activity on Steam. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and go to store.steampower.com. Now in your username, you're going to click on the drop-down and click on View Profile. Once you are in your profile, click on Edit Profile this time on the right side of your screen. Once you're here, you're going to scroll down once again and then you're going to look for Privacy Settings. Then click on it. Once you're here, you will now have the option to change your game details. In here, you can check this one. And then you can now change game details to either friends only or public. Now you can read the settings all about in here. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment as well.